as we head back to the 200 meters for the 800 meters correction for the women, where in lane number 2 we just watched Nuhansa of Sri Lanka. This is the Indian Thota Sankirtana. Sankirtina of India, then followed by Nuhansa of Sri Lanka. Kodi Tuwaku Takshima Nuhansa of Sri Lanka, the 800 meters. Amandeep of India is in lane 3. Gold at the World Continental, 203.69. A silver in the 1500 meters also. And Thota Sankirtina, 204.56. Sai Bangalore, a bronze in the World Continental. It's Amandeep Kaur of India with the lead there. They still have plenty of time to go as they come into the inside. Amandeep should take the advantage. That's the Indian there, Amandeep Kaur. We've seen her win consistently over the last year and a half. We got Amandeep and Thota Sankirtana of India. That's the way they are moving at this point of time. You got the two Sri Lankans in 3 and 4. There's one of them trying to sneak in from the outside, which is the Nuhansa of Sri Lanka. The last 400 meters as the bell goes there. It's still Amandeep along with Thota. Amandeep will now start opening up. She's got a wonderful sprint finish, and we've seen her on our channel so often. All the experience of the gold at the World Continental, 208.69. K. Kutti, 200.94, the meet record, the all-time SAF best, 159.17. Tintu Lukat split in 2010. As they come now, the bend there. Amandeep in her own, the Sri Lankans now pushing herself to get into second. Thota looks over her shoulders. She perhaps feels she might have to settle for a bronze. But look at Amandeep going there. The Sri Lankan fast on her heels, but I don't think Amandeep is going to give it away. She's strong to the finish, as always that we've seen her. She takes the gold. 204.65. Unofficial there for you. That's the girl, Amandeep Kaur. Takes the gold. The Sri Lankan Kotiwaku Takshima Nuhansa of Sri Lanka takes the silver, and Thota there takes the bronze. We'll give you the official results. Well, there you are, 204.66 for Amandeep. Thotida of Sri Lanka and Idera of Sri Lanka takes the silver. Wait for the presentation, and after that, hold on, because we've got two gentlemen from Sri Lanka. I'm going to keep that as a surprise. Is a big star, and we on the Athletic Federation of India channel are going to be very happy to meet him. Paramji.